Getting vehicle financing when you have good credit is not difficult. With good credit, you can get car financing from any bank, and their only concern will be whether your income supports the payment that comes with your vehicle. However, if your credit is a little bruised, it's a different story. Buying a car after bankruptcy can prove to be challenging. The bankrupt status on your record will tell lenders that you're not a good borrower. Many people overcome their bankrupt status and go on to have a strong credit profile. Many bankruptcy people fear that they can no longer get the financing they need for any type of loan, whether it's a car loan, personal loan, or home loan. Today, there are lenders that are willing to work with you to get the perfect car loan for you. And these loans will help to rebuild your credit, provided the lender reports to Equifax. The key is to find a reliable lender who specializes in loans to people with bad credit. Prudent Value Cars is a dealership that serves customers across the GTA. The interest rates are the best in the financial industry, which lends to those with bad credit. Through Prudent Financial, they can provide loans for all vehicles they sell. For more information, visit Prudent Value Cars on the web.